Jaybirds are known for their unique and striking appearance. They are known for their vibrant blue feathers, which can sometimes appear almost iridescent in the sunlight. These birds are also known for their intelligence and curiosity. They are often seen investigating new objects or mimicking sounds they hear in their environment. Jaybirds are known for their loud and raucous calls, which can be heard echoing through the forest. One fascinating fact about jaybirds is that they are known to hoard food, sometimes burying it underground for later consumption. They have incredible spatial memory, allowing them to remember hundreds of food hiding spots. Another strange behavior of jaybirds is their tendency to steal shiny objects, such as coins or pieces of jewelry, which they may use to decorate their nests. Despite their sometimes mischievous behavior, jaybirds play an important role in their ecosystems by helping to disperse seeds and control insect populations. Overall, these fascinating and sometimes strange birds are a delight to observe in the wild.